What is up, you guys? Ram fam, Jeep fam. Oh no, did I just say Jeep fam? You guys are about to find out why. And also, if you guys are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification. So every time I upload an awesome video, you guys are notified first thing. But my quick ask before I dive into the video, in today's video is basically going to be about the new vehicle. And comment down below a name for the channel or for the followers of this channel once I reveal the new vehicle. So we got the Power Wagon, and then we got the wife's brand new 2019 Jeep Rubicon JL. You can already see that it's decked out right here with a little purple. And then she's gonna get some custom badging just like this, the Reminator Reborn. So what we're doing today as well is a rock slider slash step for her. I'll be installing that and showing you the install process. So here is the new rails that we'll be installing. It's the Barricade Rubi Rails system off of Extreme Terrain, and I'll be leaving a link down below. But so far, solid steel, really good, and it's already coated too, so I'll give some protection. It has like a little step, but I'll show you the install process as well. So hopefully you guys can see, we got a 13 right here, and these are the two locations with the 10. Sorry for all the movement. So here's the 13. There are two locations for the 10, one right here, one right here, and then there's 6 of these total. So then moving over to the middle, you have the wife doing some work, but here's another 10, and then another 10 right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then once you unscrew everything, you just pull it straight out and then pop on the new one, bolt in, and you're pretty much done. Ain't that right?
That's right.
So as you guys can see, here is the finished product. Wife helped out. So pretty cool product. She's excited. And so once you open up the door, we added the inserts as well here. Amazon, they're like, I don't know, 20 bucks or something. That's it, you guys. So if you guys enjoyed the video, consider liking, dropping a thumbs up. Also hit the bell notification. That way you are alerted anytime we upload an awesome video. And if you comment down below once again, any name for the followers, since we do have a Jeep and a Ram as well. You guys have a great day.